Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade 7 English and we are doing unit number 4, which is Friends, and the name of this story is Best Friends, and this is fifth lecture given to you online. In this lecture we are going to move towards the exercise of unit number 4, and the first section of exercise is question answers. Then we will move towards the language portion and cover the topic of simple past tense. Open your English classwork notebook and prepare index, serial number, date and the topic. Before we begin this lecture, just make sure that you have your English students book, English classwork notebook, English workbook and your complete stationery available with you. I hope you all are listening all the lectures very carefully and attentively, and of course you already know that if you need to ask anything from your teacher, you can send a WhatsApp voice note mentioning your name, grade and subject clearly. Open your English students book, page number 35, where the question answers given. Mark date and day on the top of this page. Then open your English classwork notebook and prepare today's classwork page by writing date and day and the topic. You will have to write down all the question answers. You know that you write down your questions with blue marker and their answers with blue ink pen. Come to the first exercise of question answers, and the first question is, read the first question. Where was Asim when Javed saw him for the first time? Do you remember, dear grade 7 students, when we were reading this lesson and we came to know in the when we were reading the first paragraph, we came to know that Asim was standing in front of the class and their teacher said to the class that this is Asim who would like to look after him. Asim उस time कहाँ थे? Yes, Javed saw him standing at the door to the classroom. Write down this question and answer in your notebook. Question number 2 is, why were they thrilled that they both had places at St. Bernard's School? Because they were able to stay together. Question number 3 is, when did Sameer speak to Javed for the first time? Grade 7 students, do you remember when we were reading this lesson and we were on the page number 34, we came to know that when one day when they were lining up for sports, Sameer spoke to Javed. So this is same the answer for this question, when they were lining up for sports. Question number 4 is, in what way did Javed's attitude towards Asim change? Students, do you remember in what ways Javed's attitude towards Asim changed? He started making excuses to not be able to spend more time with Asim. हुआ क्या, जावेद ने आसिम के साथ एक्सक्यूज़ेस बनाना शुरू कर दिया कि मैं आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करूँगा, आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर सकता. एक्चुअली उन्हें करना क्या था, समीर के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना था. ही स्टार्टेड मेकिंग एक्सक्यूज़ेस टू बी एबल टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम विद Sameer and his friends. Question number 5 is, explain in your own words, they were in it together. Students, when we were reading from page number 35, the second paragraph, when Javed came to know about their habit of stealing the things from stores and market, वहाँ पे आपने ये सेंटेंस रीड आउट किया कि जावेद ने ये सोचा कि दे आर ऑल इन टुगेदर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट मेंट कि वो सब आपस में प्लान्ड थे, वो सब आपस में मिले हुए थे और वो सब मिल के इस तरह के छोटे छोटे क्राइम्स कमिट करते थे. सो दिस इज़ द सेम आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. इट मीन्स जावेद रियलाइज दैट द अदर बॉयज़ वर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन स्टीलिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज़, describe one way in which Asim and Javed are different. Students, जब ये लेसन स्टार्ट हुआ था तो इसका जो बिल्कुल फर्स्ट लाइन थी वो क्या है, दे से दैट ऑपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट. इट मीन्स कि जावेद और आसिम दोनों एक दूसरे के नेचर वाइज एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिट थे और ऑपोजिट नेचर अट्रैक्ट करती हैं. इसलिए वो दोनों आपस में बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन गए। और वो ऑपोजिट कैसे थे? जावेद वॉज टॉकेटिव एंड नॉटी गाय, बट आसिम वॉज सीरियस, स्टडियस एंड अ क्वाइट पर्सनैलिटी। दिस इज़ द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। आसिम इज़ अ गुड लिसनर बट जावेद टॉक्स टू मच। उसके अलावा आप इनके मज़ीद और भी जो डिफरेंसेस हैं, लाइक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू कि वो क्वाइट है और जावेद जो है वो टॉकेटिव हैं। आसिम जो है वो स्टडियस है और जावेद बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडियस नहीं है। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज विच इज़ नाउ डिस्कस द आंसर्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस। दीज क्वेश्चंस आर फॉर जनरल डिस्कशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is it surprising that Asim and Javed are good friends? Why? Okay. Yes, because they are very different. होता क्या है, जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो एक जैसे होते हैं। अगर कोई दो लोग क्वाइट नेचर के हैं तो वो दोनों आपस में फ्रेंड्स होते हैं। अगर कोई दो लोग ज़्यादा मिस्टीरियस नेचर के हैं तो वो दोनों आपस में फ्रेंड्स होते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे सिचुएशन इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रूटीन। सिचुएशन इज़ के जो जावेद हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा टॉकेटिव हैं, लेकिन आसिम टॉकेटिव नहीं है। उन दोनों की नेचर बहुत ज़्यादा एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट है, फिर भी वो दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़ वाई डू यू थिंक दैट जावेद डिसाइडेड टू गो अराउंड विद समीर? जावेद ने समीर के साथ हैंग आउट करना क्यों स्टार्ट कर दिया? जावेद वॉज फ्लैटर्ड, समीर वॉज पॉपुलर एंड एडमायर्ड बाय अदर बॉयज़। वो सब लोग मिलके बहुत ज़्यादा फ़न करते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय करते थे। दे लाफ्ड, दे जोक्ड, दे प्लेड टुगेदर। तो जावेद को वो सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया, इसलिए जावेद ने उन लोगों के साथ रहना शुरू कर दिया। आर यू राइटिंग ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स? ओके। ऑन पेज नंबर 35, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 is find the words or phrases which is closest in meaning to the underlined word. Okay, dear grade 7 students, I have already given you all the meanings of words from this lesson. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences हैं और उन sentences में कुछ words underline हुए हैं और आपने underline word के synonym find out करना है, closest meaning word find out करना है from the given options, and it is not difficult for you to do this also. So please pause the video and do this question yourself. Here are 4 questions and you have to complete it. आप वीडियो को पॉज करेंगे, ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे, then you will replay the video and I will give you the actual solution. You will recheck your solution. Okay, let's check your solution with mine. Sentence number 1 is my friend and I have been inseparable since the first day we met. Inseparable, what does this mean? Loyal or impossible to keep apart or friends or apart from each other. Inseparable का क्या मीनिंग है? जिनको अलहदा नहीं किया जा सकता. Impossible to keep apart. Option B. Sentence number 2 is at his new school, Javed soon became aware of Sameer. Became aware. Options are got to know, made friends with, tried to avoid or noticed. Its similar meaning is noticed. Sentence number 3 is Javed felt flattered when Sameer spoke to him. Option A is pleased to be noticed, nervous, annoyed, unsure of himself, and the answer is pleased to be noticed. जावेद को ये अच्छा लगा था कि किसी ने उसको नोटिस किया और आगे उसे कहा है कि आप क्यों सीरियस लोगों के साथ फिरते हैं, आप हमारे साथ खेला करें, हमारे साथ हैंग आउट करें. So the answer is pleased to be noticed. Sentence number 4 is Javed felt guilty about the way he had behaved towards Asim. Guilty. Options are dishonest, ashamed, proud, annoyed. And the correct answer is option B, ashamed. Have you rechecked your solution? That's good. Let's move towards the page number 36 where the language part begins with the topic simple past tense. Dear grade 7 students, this topic is not new for you. आप already simple past tense के बारे में जानते हैं and you know that what type of sentences are these. You already know that what form of verb is used here, how to make the negative and interrogative sentences of simple past. Let's have a glance. The simple past tense is used to talk about a completed action in a time before a now. Simple past tense, we add ed to the most of the verbs. When the verbs are regular verbs, they are just added ed or d to form their simple past. If a short verb ends with the consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, double the last letter and then add ed. These are the rules to make past participle forms of verb. If the verb ends in e, just add d. On page number 37, question number 1a is to work in pairs, make as many as possible sensible sentences as you can. Choose a word or expression from each box. Here are 3 boxes given. Okay, choose a word or expression from each box. आपने तीनों boxes में से एक phrase pick करना है और उनके साथ आपने sentences make करना है. You can make your own sentences. I am giving you my solution. You can make your own, but make sure that makes sense and is grammatically correct and correct spelled. First sentence I made is, I finished my work in 10 minutes. From the first box I picked I. From the second box I picked finished my work. From the third box I picked in 10 minutes. Similarly, next sentence, my friends bought a car last year. My little brother listened to music long time ago. Dear grade 7 students, you have to write down these sentences in your English classwork notebook. You don't need to prepare classwork page again by writing date and day, but just write down the subtopic again, which is simple past tense. Okay, next exercise is question number 2b. Complete these sentences. Use the simple past form of the each verb in the bracket. Okay, here are 7 sentences given to you with a verb in the bracket at the end of every sentence. You need to write down the past tense of each verb in each sentence. You can do this exercise on your book, so pick your lead pencil up and start writing. First sentence is, the students all dash for winners, and the verb is clap, and its past tense is clapped. Second sentence is, we all dash the book, and the answer will be enjoyed. Dear grade 7 students, pause the video and do this exercise yourself. Okay, now let's come towards the third exercise, which is rewrite this paragraph in the simple past tense. Dear grade 7 students, you just need to read this paragraph and change all the verbs into simple past tense, and you can do this exercise on your book. So pick the lead pencil up and start writing with me. After lunch, everyone stood around the playground. The verb is stand here, and you can write down stood on the top of this word in this paragraph. It dash windy and we all feel cold. The past form of is was and feel is felt. I see a girl standing alone on the other side of the playground. Grade 7 students, write down saw on the top of word see. She looks lonely. I go over to her and speak to her. She takes a deep breath and tells me that she comes from Multan. She begins to cry, so I put my arms around her and say, come on, let's go. Everyone moves aside for us and we walked away. Have you done this exercise? That's good. Now it's time for our today's homework. Please open your diary and note it down. Your homework is to do question number 1b and question number 3 on your English homework notebook from page number 36. The same page we have done today in our classwork. You have to do question number 1A and question number 3 on your homework notebook. Another homework from workbook is page number 22 question number 1 and page number 23 question number 2 and 4. Open your workbook and look it with me. Open page number 22. The first question number 1 is complete the table. Grade 7 students, you already know all the simple past forms of these irregular verbs. आपने सिर्फ पेंसिल के साथ यहाँ पे वो सब सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ दीज वर्ब्स आपने यहाँ पे राइट डाउन करने हैं. ऑन पेज नंबर 23 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज़ कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस विद द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. ये सेम ऐसी ही एक्सरसाइज है जैसी आपने क्लास वर्क में की है. एंड एक्सरसाइज 4 इज़ री राइट द पैराग्राफ इन द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सेम इस तरह की एक्सरसाइज अभी आपने क्लास वर्क में की है अपनी स्टूडेंट्स बुक से. आपने इसी तरह यहाँ पे सब जो प्रेजेंट वर्ब्स हैं उनको सिंपल पास्ट वर्ब में चेंज करके यहाँ पे रीराइट करना है इस पैराग्राफ को. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड योर टुडेज़ होमवर्क. दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ टुडेज़ लेसन. गुड लक. अल्लाह हाफिज़.